while they build their systems in the world down below. But the gavel is falling, the motion is filed, the pure records open, the truth undefiled. We're stepping out of the 66 line to reclaim the signature, the 26 sound. On that day, the signal will rise. On that day, we open our eyes. Mine elect one shall sit on the throne, claiming the glory he's always owed. The squatter is evicted, the silence is gone, the throne is occupied, the victory's won. Woo! The matrix is shaking, its pillars of dust. We're moving from fear into absolute trust. No more petitions to a king made of clay. The kingdom law is in session today. The weight of the glory, the deep space blue, the neon purple is breaking through. The throne isn't empty, the king is in place, restoring the sanctuary, restoring the race. Oh, it's not a battle for a win we don't have. It's an enforcement of the life that he gave. From the 12 to the 30, the blueprint was laid. Now the 2028, restoration is paid. Check the frequency,